We're welcoming everyone to the Kate Mullany House here in Troy, New York to celebrate women in union history today.
Yes, I mean, Kate Mullany herself was fabulous in establishing one of the first women-led unions in Troy for the shirt collar factories.
I feel like I am entering greatness, right? I am entering and walking in space where a powerful 19-year-old Irish immigrant, she came, she conquered, she started a union of women, and she created change in the 1800s. Thank you for being here. Thank you, Paul, for all the work you've done to keep this house alive and well. Thank you to Laura and Ron and the other board members who do the work every day.
Union Women Vote! Yeah!